Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you Rezervy online booking system. This is our dashboard. Total revenue, total appointment, registered customer, guest customer, staff, upcoming appointment, today upcoming appointment. Then another function, external add-ons, advanced calendar, add new, then pause add-ons, service product, then service package add-ons, add package purchase. You can edit, delete and view. Then product add-ons, you can add product and also edit and delete. Then appointment, all appointment history. Then sales, all sale information. Then customers, you can add customers, CRM, then view CRM history. Then staff, you can add staff and view details profile and all staff information in here. Then service, you can add category, record all service, and change status, edit and delete. Then setup, you can set up so many functions in here. Then notified and message, language, profile, you can customize your profile and you can change your password and settings. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.